Ready to breeze through Japan like a pro with your Suica card right on your Android phone. First, open the Google Pay app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Look for the Add a Card button. It's usually located at the bottom of the screen or within your profile settings. Tap on it. Select Transit Card from the list of options. This will bring up a list of supported transit cards. Find Suica in the list and tap on it. If you don't see Suica, make sure Google Pay is supported in your region and your app is up to date. Now, the app will prompt you to add a new card. If you have a physical Suica card, select the option to read the card. If you don't have physical Suica card, tap the option to create a new card. Place your physical Suica card on the back of your phone, near the NFC reader. Hold it steady until the app reads the card information. This may take a few seconds. Once the card is added, you'll see a confirmation screen with your Suica balance and options to manage your card. You can now use your phone to tap and pay wherever Suica is accepted. Enjoy the convenience of using your Suica card directly from your Google Pay wallet. No more fumbling for your physical card.